Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import Google Sheets into monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to monday.com. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top left corner your home screen, your work, and your main workspace. Also in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import Google Sheets into monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is to access the import. Firstly, go to the avatar icon at the top right of your screen. So when you're on your avatar icon here, as you can see, select import data. So you have it here, click on import data. From this menu, click on Google Sheets. So as you can see, it is the second thing, Excel and then Google Sheets. After selecting Google Sheets, you will need to connect so when you click on Google Sheets, when you select it, you'll need to connect your Google Drive and monday.com. Press sign in and select the Google account you'd like to connect. So guys, as you can see, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.